Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform the first setup on Amazon Kindle Oasis. So first thing is to choose the language on this device. You can also go for accessibility settings to enable voice view screen reader. This will allow you to basically hear on every button you press. So if you would enable it and go for English, you will hear the English from the speaker. I'm gonna leave that disabled though and choose the language. Move to the next step, then select your region. As far as it gets, there's a United Kingdoms and United States, so let's go for the United Kingdom. Now you can set up your Kindle with either phone or just by going through this device only. If you want to check how to do it through the app on your smartphone, you can check our previous video on a previous Amazon Kindle. We had to make some tutorials for you, and here I'm gonna go with a just default normal setup. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now you can log into the Amazon account and you can also create new one, but if you want to create new one, I would suggest to use your PC or your smartphone. It's much easier there. And now I'm gonna log in. Let's move on. You can make this Kindle child friendly, so if you're setting up this device for your children, you can click on yes. In this case, I'm going for an adult person, so let's go with no thanks. Create an account using your Amazon login or sign in with a different email. You can also skip the Goodreads. I'm gonna skip it by pressing on no thanks. From here, your Kindle should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.